Yo, 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 what's up, Diamond family? It's your man Vivi, and welcome back to the VVS Academy. As you guys know, I'm here every week dropping off gems, teaching you to record and mix your music better. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. Look, man, I got a really crazy video for you guys today. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to mix Roddy Ricch vocals. That's right, bro. We're about to feed the streets. You ready? Let's jump right in, man. If you don't have a template for recording, Logic or Pro Tools, I got free templates down below. Check them out. They're completely free. They're going to change the game for you. Let's play back this song dry, and then we'll start to dig into the mix. Let's get it.
Know what's the word? Get Vic a bag and he gon' pound it like the bird. Okay, put the car in dry. Hold on, girl, don't hit my line. Now we doing overtime, trying to get away from all that crime. Fell to Peter, pay that fine. I did you wrong, cause you not mine. You dyslexic, just know you done. Don't give a fuck about all that crime. It's my time.
All right, bet. So as you can hear, the song already sounds pretty good. It's already been recorded really well. It's already pretty balanced between the beat and the vocal. So the first thing I'm actually going to do is just go down here and activate Instant Mix. And I think that's really going to bring a lot to the track. So if you haven't heard about Instant Mix, check it out down below. Let's go ahead and play it back now with Instant Mix engaged.
Know what's the word? Get Vic a bag and he gon' pound it like the bird. Okay, put the car in dry. Hold on, girl, don't hit my line. Now we doing overtime, trying to get away from all that crime. Fell to Peter, pay that fine. I did you wrong, cause you not mine. You dyslexic, just know you done. Don't give a fuck about all that crime. It's my time.
Bad. So as you can hear, Instant Mix does a lot, right? Punch, clarity, loudness, all that, just by activating Instant Mix. So if you don't have Instant Mix yet, you should definitely check it out down below. But let's go ahead and make a few tweaks. I still feel like the vocal is a little muddy, a little heavy, and at the same time, the mid-range is a little piercing as well. So let's go here to the vocal and start dialing in. Let's go ahead and pick up the VMR. And the first thing I'm going to grab is a de-esser. Let's control the S's. I find it easier to dial in a vocal when the S's are in check, just so I'm not tricking myself and thinking there's too much high end when really it's just the S's annoying me. So I'm going to bring the frequency up to just under 4K, and then we'll mess with the range, and then I'll pull in some mix as well. So let's see what we got.
Know what's the word? Get Vic a bag and he gon' pound it like the bird. Okay, put the car in dry. Hold on, girl, don't hit my line. Now we doing overtime, trying to get away from all that crime. Fell to Peter, pay that fine. I did you wrong, cause you not mine. You dyslexic, just know you done. Don't give a fuck about all that crime. It's my
Perfect. So de-esser is controlling things well. That's what we wanted. I said something about the mid-range, but I think it's really just compression that's lacking. I think that upper mid range is just where the vocal is getting a little bit louder, or maybe he's moving a little closer to the mic, and that's what's annoying me. So let's go ahead and add some compression, and then we'll double back and try to mess with the see if we need to EQ out some mid-range. Now, since I think the vocal is muddy, I'm going to use the Blue Stripe 1176 because it adds a little more saturation, a little bit more mid-range grit. I think that's what we need in this vocal, as well as taming and controlling it. So let's see what we got. I'm going to leave the attack as slow as possible, the release as fast as possible, and then I'll just mess with the input and output knobs until I get 3 to 5 dB of gain reduction. Simple.
Know what's the word? Get Vic a bag and he gon' pound it like the bird. Okay, put the car in dry. Hold on, girl, don't hit my line. Now we doing overtime, trying to get away from all that crime. Fell to Peter, pay that fine. I did you wrong. Know what's the word? Get Vic a bag and he gon' pound it like the bird. Okay, put the car in dry. Hold on, girl, don't hit my line. Now we doing overtime, trying to get away from all that crime. Fell to Peter, pay that fine. I did you wrong, cause you not mine. You dyslexic, just know you done. Don't give a fuck about all that crime. It's my time. Know what's the word?
Cool. I like that a lot. Honestly, we're really close to being there. Let's grab an EQ. Go ahead and dig out some of that low mid energy that I don't really like, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So I'm going to make a narrow Q on the EQ band, and you can do this with any EQ. You can use the stock EQ within Pro Tools. You can use Infinity EQ, Fab Filter. I just like the sound of this FGS, which is an SSL EQ. I just like the way it sounds, so that's what I'm going to go with. I'm going to make the Q narrow, and then I'm going to boost the signal probably 8 to 10 dB, and then I'm going to sweep through those low mid frequencies to see where that annoying frequency is so I can kind of dig it out. So let's see where it is.
Know what's the word? Get Vic a bag and he gon' pound it like the bird. Okay, put the car in dry. Hold on, girl, don't hit my line. Now we doing overtime, trying to get away from all that crime. Fell to Peter, pay that fine. I did you wrong, cause you not.
It's somewhere in that 500 range. So I'm going to actually now broaden the Q, make it wider, and then just dig out 2 to 3 dB and see if that gives me what I'm looking for. Let's do that.
Know what's the word? Get a Vic a bag and he gon' pound it like the bird. Okay, put the car in drive. Hold on, girl, don't hit my line. Now we doing overtime, trying to get away from all that crime. You felt a P to pay that fine. I did you wrong, cause you not mine. You dyslexic, just know you down. Don't give a fuck about all that crime. It's my time. Know what's the word? Get a Vic a bag and he gon' pound it like the bird. Okay, put the car in drive. Hold on, girl, don't hit my line. Now we doing overtime, trying to get away from all that crime. You felt a P to pay that fine. I did you wrong, cause you not mine. You dyslexic, just know you down. Don't give a fuck about all that crime. It's my time. Know what's the word? Get a Vic a bag and he gon' pound it like the bird. Okay, put the car in drive. Hold on, girl, don't hit my line. Now we doing overtime, trying to get away from all that crime. You felt a P to pay that fine. I did you wrong, cause you not mine. You dyslexic, just know you down. Don't give a fuck about all that crime. It's my time.
Cool, and as you can see, I'll bring it back up. I just added another compressor at the end, and it's only doing like 1, maybe 2 dB of gain reduction on the loudest parts, and we're getting some tone out of it. And so I like the way that sounds. We're gonna add some saturation and be done with this vocal. I like to saturate with the black box on vocals. So let's grab the black box and we'll just activate it. But you don't have to use the black box. You can go back to the VMR. You can use the Revival. You can use True Iron. There's so many saturators you can use. This is just the one I like to use for this situation. So let's dial it in.
Know what's the word? Get a Vic a bag and he gon' pound it like the bird. Okay, put the car in drive. Hold on, girl, don't hit my line. Now we doing overtime, trying to get away from all that crime. You felt a P to pay that fine. I did you wrong, cause you not mine. You dyslexic, just know you down. Don't give a fuck about all that crime. It's my time. Know what's the word? Get a
Cool. I like that saturation. We're just gonna glaze everything up with the RVox, and the vocal's gonna be dialed in. Let's get it.
Know what's the word? Get a Vic a bag and he gon' pound it like the bird. Okay, put the car in drive. Hold on, girl, don't hit my line. Now we doing overtime, trying to get away from all that crime. You felt a P to pay that fine. I did you wrong, cause you not mine. You dyslexic, just know you down. Don't give a fuck about all that crime. It's my time. Know what's the word?
Really, man, that's all you need. It's that simple to dial in a professional vocal, especially using Instamix, man. Once I activated Instamix, we dialed the rest of it in like 5 minutes. And really, that's all you need, man. That's what I got for you today. Remember, I'm here every week helping you guys out. So if you need some more help, jump in the comments down below, man, or shoot me an email. My name is VV, and I'm here for you. Remember, stay humble and make diamonds only. Peace.
Know what's the word? Get a Vic a bag and he gon' pound it like the bird. Okay, put the car in drive. Hold on, girl, don't hit my line. Now we doing overtime, trying to get away from all that crime. You felt a P to pay that fine. I did you wrong, cause you not mine. You dyslexic, just know you down. Don't give a fuck about all that crime. It's my time.